Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional and standout portfolio on Behance. Whether you are a graphics designer, UI and UI or UX expert, or digital artist, this step-by-step guide will help you get noticed and get hired. Step 1. Head over to behance.net and sign in with your Adobe account or create one for free if you haven't already. So click on sign in button from the right side corner. Then you can also sign in with your Google account. Just click continue as your Google account. Now follow the login process from this page. Once you are in, personalize your profile, add a professional profile photo, write a short bio, and select your creative fields like graphic design, illustration, UI, UX, or photography. And also don't forget to link your website, LinkedIn, or Instagram. It builds credibility and drives traffic. So click on your profile icon. Now click add your profile photo option for your profile picture. Then click on services, scroll down, and you can add a service from here. Now, before uploading anything, plan your project like a story. The best portfolios on Behance are most the best portfolios on Behance are more than just images. They explain the idea, the process, and the final results. Your project should include a clear title, a short introduction, process work, sketches, wireframes, or drafts. Final deliverables, goals used, credits if any teamwork. Now go back to your Behance dashboard. Now click on projects section, then select one from here or search for your design like t-shirt, fashion, graphic design. Then choose one from here like portfolio graphic designer. Now scroll down and check out your portfolio from here. Then you can hire from here a freelancer or click your profile like again or click new freelance project or hire a freelancer from here. They will create your portfolio from the Behance. Now click create a project. This will open up Behance project editor. Drag in your visuals, make sure they are high quality, properly sized, and organized from start to finish. Add short text sections to explain your concept, challenges, and decisions. Break up the layout with headings and don't be afraid to show behind the scenes work. From here, click text, add your text here. For image, click image section and upload your image like that. That's it. You can adjust the image from here. You can even embed videos like motion graphics or in recordings or interactive prototypes from Figma, Adobe XD, or YouTube. Use a consistent background color, font style, and spacing. You want the project to feel polished, not cluttered. Finally, design a cover image. It's the thumbnail everyone will see. Make sure it's eye-catching, branded, and sized at 404 into 316 pixel. Before publishing, add the right creative fields like branding, web design, motion graphics, etc. Also add tags that describe your style or tools like minimalist, Photoshop, PD, UX research. Choose whether to allow feedback or turn comments off, then hit publish. Your project is live. Now let's help it get noticed. Share it on LinkedIn, Twitter, Reddit, or design groups. Tell the story behind the project and add a link. Behance rewards engagement, so follow, appreciate, and comment on others' work. It builds your network and increases chances of being featured. Submit your project to curated galleries. Getting featured here can explode your reach. Keep your portfolio fresh, update old projects, or add new ones regularly. Consistency helps you stay visible to recruiters and followers. And that's how you create the perfect Behance portfolio that stands out and get attention. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more creative ideas. Drop your Behance link in the comments so can check it out and support each other. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.